Hi everyone, so it is 10:35 here in New York. Watching me some Family Guy, just jumped out of the shower. And the alarm is going off at Family Dollar. And it's been going off for a while. No police coming to check and see why the alarm's going off. I mean, that Family Dollar is like robbed like every other day. But the alarm is going off. So let me flip this camera around so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so before the alarm went off, I saw two random people walking across this parking lot. And as you can see, there's no cars there. And then all of a sudden, that alarm goes off. There's no police coming up the road in either direction to check and see what's going on. Huh?
You're my witness. I didn't do it.
Right? That's been going off for a while now. Yeah, see? No police coming up the road or anywhere, either direction, and that alarm has been going off. Oh, about time. Now my question is why did the alarm go off? But yeah, it's kind of funny. You never see the police when that alarm goes off. Because the cops around here are little pussies. They're little pussies. Seriously. What do we got? We got the bus. But yeah. Yep. Gotta love living in the ghetto. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all go. And I'm gonna lay back down and watch some TV. So, bye for now.